Hello everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce the Size Super Bang 5-piece Halloween wooden decoration set, a perfect addition to your Halloween festivities. This delightful tabletop centerpiece collection includes charming designs like witches, ghosts, and shoes, all crafted from high-quality materials to ensure they last for many Halloweens to come. Standing at approximately 6 inches tall, these decorations are perfect for adding a touch of spooky fun to any indoor setting, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even your office. With no installation required, these versatile pieces can be effortlessly incorporated into your existing decor, making them ideal for parties, holidays, and even Christmas celebrations. Not only are they a fantastic way to enhance your own home, but they also make unique and thoughtful gifts for family and friends. Each piece in this 2024 Halloween collection is distinct, ensuring that your seasonal decor stands out with style and creativity. If you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated service team is ready to help within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.